welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back home. And if you're new to the channel, and you are welcome. I'm experiencing load shedding at the moment, so I'm going to make this video short and nice. Okay, so as you have read the title below, this video I'm going to be focusing on giving you tips and tricks of how to grow your channel. Okay, so remember, I am still a beginner on this journey, so everything that I'm saying, I'm just saying out of experience. Everything that I'm saying is what I'm applying at the moment. So if you'd like to watch more of this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment down below anything that you'd like to see in this channel. I know I've been concentrating on sit down videos, but I promise to get you vlogs very soon, hopefully very soon. So without any waste of time, let's get into the first trick or tip. Okay, so the first thing is you have to ask yourself, would I subscribe to my channel? Okay, so sitting down watching your videos and seeing all your videos, do you think you would like to subscribe to your channel? So if you are on that question and you see that, you know what, this video is not interesting, so I think when I'm watching this, I wouldn't subscribe to this person's channel. So you have to get to make your videos very nice, very short or long, however you want your videos to be, but let them be interesting to watch. Okay, so that's whereby you can, like, to start your video, you can start your video by giving us a glimpse of what's gonna happen in your video, or you can also create that short introduction video that is nice, that is gonna get us to get interested in watching more of your videos, in watching the whole video of yours. You understand? Choose the correct music to play in your background, as I've mentioned in my previous video. If you haven't, I'll link the video just here. So I hope this side or this side, I'm not sure. So yeah, you have to check on it. The music that plays at the background of your video, you have to make sure that they are sweet and they are very interesting for someone to continue watching due to the music also. This gets me to point number 2. So it says, the point number 2 says, have a personality. So you have to have a personality, where else you know that I am educating people. You have to know that in educating people, you have to know how to educate. You have to know how to be a teacher. So if you know very well that you are not able to teach, why do you see yourself in that niche of teaching? So why do you see yourself in that niche of vlogging if you know that you are not into the vlogging thingy? That vlogging is something that you wanna do, but you know very well that you are not comfortable in doing vloggings. So you need to know your personality once you get onto the platform called YouTube. So number 3, it has to be original. I'm repeating this because it also contributes in growing your channel. Being original contributes to growing your channel, because someone is going to come to your channel knowing and expecting that this person is going to bring something different. This person is going to bring new information other than the things that I've seen before in other people's channel. So yeah, that's basically being original. So I'm going to say, don't wait for a bigger audience. Understand? So for you to grow your channel, for you to be okay, for you to grow your channel, doesn't require you to wait for a bigger audience. You have to start even though you don't have any subscribers, or maybe you have less than 100 subscribers. Just post. Those ones that have subscribed to your channel are the ones who are going to support you all the way through. Okay, so don't wait for a larger audience for you to start posting content on your channel, because that does not matter. The numbers doesn't really matter. But if you can post and have more videos, more content on your channel, it can also help you to get monetized very fast. So another point, it says, please figure out your target audience. You know very well you want to do beauty, so your target audience has to be girls, and girls who are actually in beauty. Okay, so you know that your niche you want to dwell in teaching forex, you know that you are going to have target audience, the people that you're interested are the people who are actually interested in forex. Okay, so you need to know who are your people, who are your target audience. As for me, I am doing vlogs. Everyone enjoys seeing everyone enjoys seeing someone going out, touring out the world and all that. Everyone enjoys that. So it can be both male, it can be both male and female. Okay, so yeah, so this moves point number 6. So it says dwell into shorts more. So you know that YouTube has created the platform for us to create shorts, and it's more easier because you do not have to make your video short, you do not have to make your video large. It's always short, and it's always fast. So by that you can get more views, by that you can get more likes and more audience by the short videos that you are making. Okay, so it's more important for you to try shorts because they are working wonders. Okay, so it says point number 7 says hop onto trends but make them your own. Okay, so when you're creating a short, for example, you can create a short using a sound that comes from TikTok, right? You can make a video on TikTok, come and post it on YouTube, and then the views that you get are going to contribute to you getting monetized, are going to contribute to you actually getting a chance to, you know, gain more subscribers, gain more views, you know. So yeah, so hop onto trends, make them your own. For example, you can do that dance that is trending on TikTok, and then you post it on YouTube. Use the correct hashtags, and yeah, you are going to get views and you are going to get more chances of growing your watch hour time. Okay, so point number 8, content. Do not doubt. Okay, so don't doubt and say, you know what, my camera quality is not giving, don't, you know, all those excuses that every new YouTuber is trying to get so that they do not post content. Just post anything that you have shot, anything that you watch and see that this deserves to be posted. Please post it. Do not hesitate. Post that video. And you know, they say each and every great content creator has started below. You know, someone, if you can check other content creators, their first videos, they always have that video that has poor quality, that has like all the mixed up than the ones that are happening at the moment, you know. So you have to just trust that I am going to post this video and someday it's just gonna make me great. Okay, so I'm moving to number 9. I'm moving to point number 9. Says go out in advertising your channel. So I've seen people, they just create their channels and they just relax and say, you know what, subscribers are just gonna come. Subscribers are not gonna come unless you advertise your channel. So you have your Instagram, you have your Twitter, you have your Facebook, whichever platform that you have, make use of it to ask people to subscribe to your channel. The same, even on your Instagram stories, you can do it. Post on your Twitter, just ask them to subscribe to my channel. It's working for me, maybe it might also work for you. So last but not least, it says thank yourselves for all the hard work. This is my last point. Thank yourself in whatever that you're doing. Thank yourself and give yourself all the nice words that every hard worker deserves, you know. So you have to pat yourself at the back and say, you know what, you have done it and you have moved from 5 subscribers to 10 subscribers. It's something. You have moved from 5,000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. It's something. So do not worry yourself about anything. Just believe Uguti, you are doing whatever that you are capable of. Do not compare yourself to anyone and do not downgrade yourself. Okay, So this brings me to the end of this video. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like it and also comment down below anything nice. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join this family. Let's get this channel to hashtag 3,000 subscribers. By the end of this year, I believe I'll be on 5,000 subscribers, and I'm manifesting it. Okay, so peace out, love you, bye.